Hello class, in this video I will be using Lagrange multipliers to find the maximum value of a function subject to a constraint. Let's begin. Alright, so at the top of the page is a list of the 5 steps that will be followed when using Lagrange multipliers. These steps do not have to be memorized. You can have them for your exam. All I would like you to do is properly follow these steps. So here we go. In the previous video, we wanted to maximize f of xy is equal to x times y, subject to the constraint x plus 2y is equal to 1200. And using a table of values, I was able to conclude that f of xy was maximized when x is 600 and y is 300. Now I'm going to get the same solution using Lagrange multipliers. Here we go. Step 1. Write the constraint in the form g of xy is equal to 0. Well, in the previous video, we've already done that. So I'm going to highlight that in green. Step 2. Form the Lagrange function. And in the previous video, we've also done that. I'm going to highlight the Lagrange function in pink. Step 3, find all first-order partial derivatives of the Lagrange function. Oh well, we haven't done that yet, so let's do that now. So step 3. Okay. Step 4. Form the system of equations where all first-order partial derivatives are equal to 0. Okay, here we go. So step 4. And now step 5 says to solve the system. Okay, so step 5. We're going to solve the system by solving the first 2 equations for lambda. All right, so I'm going to copy and paste the first 2 equations. So in the first equation, y minus lambda is equal to 0. Well, that implies that y is equal to lambda. In the second equation, x minus 2 lambda is equal to 0. So that implies that lambda is equal to 1/2 x. Now, since we have 2 statements that both equal lambda, I'll highlight them. So we have y is equal to lambda, and we have 1/2 x is equal to lambda. It follows that y has to equal 1/2 x. And if you think about what's happening here, and you look at the solution, notice that the solution is x is 600 and y is 300. Y is exactly half of x. So we're on the right track. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to substitute 1/2 x in for y in the third equation. So here is the third equation. we're going to substitute 1/2 x in for y. So that becomes minus x plus 1200 is equal to 0. And if you solve for x, you got x is equal to 600. And since y is exactly half of x, y is equal to 300. So these two values will maximize f of xy. So the maximum value of f of xy is f of 600 comma 300, which is equal to 180,000. And we are done.